how to connect wallet to Tradewiz bot. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to connect wallet to Tradewiz bot. So to get started, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Access and start Tradewiz bot. Open the Tradewiz Telegram bot and click Start. The bot will automatically generate a new Solana wallet for you. If you don't have Telegram, create an account first. Step 2. Fund and verify wallet. Send at least 0.1 Sol to the wallet address provided by the bot. This deposit is necessary to activate trading features. Once the funds are received, the bot will confirm that your wallet is successfully connected. Step 3. Import existing wallet. If you already have a Solana wallet and want to use it instead of the bot generated one, open wallet settings in the Tradewiz bot. Select Import Wallet and enter your private key. But be cautious when entering private keys, only do this in the official Tradewiz bot to avoid scams. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.